ಮಯೂರಿ ಮಯೂರಿ ನಾಟ್ಯ ಮಯೂರಿ. Yeah, today's video will learn Natya Mayuri. Okay, so this is the first page of the Natya Mayuri. So in this, the entry itself is a dance. Okay, so these are some of the things which are performed in dance, like Tai Tai Didi Tai or whatever. Okay, so they have put in the entrance Tai Tai Didi Tai as the song. Okay, so it would sound like this. Okay, so adu hejjeya nodi. So how the leg beatings they do in the Bharatanatyam. That so the gejje is the gungru, the chain which they wear in the leg. So it will make a lot of noise. Okay, so gejjeya shabda. Gejjeya nudi means gejje sound. Okay, so ಇಬ್ಬರು ನರ್ತಕಿಯರು ಶಿವಪಾರ್ವತಿಯರ ವೇಷ ಧರಿಸಿ ನರ್ತಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So there are two ladies, nartakiyaru, dancers. Nartakiyaru means dancers. They have dressed themselves like Shiva and Parvati, and they are dancing. Okay, like this. See, both of them are ladies, and they have dressed up as Shiva and Parvati, and they are dancing. Shivagange. So Shivagange is a place in Karnataka. Okay, so now also it is there, though it has come in the history. Okay, Shivagangeya Nagara Devate. That's the Nagara is the city. Shivagange city is there will be a goddess. Okay, head goddess whom they will worship all the that particular city or village people. So that name of the goddess is Honnamma. Honnammana Gudi. Gudi is the temple. Okay. Mumbaga is the front part. So in the Mumbaga, Navaranga. Navaranga means that's a stage. Okay. Stage for any performance. So in the front, like this. Okay. In the front there is a stage in front of the temple. So there they are performing. How they are performing? ಆ ನುಡಿಗೆ 100 ಮಡಿಯಷ್ಟು. So 100 ಮಡಿಯಷ್ಟು means it's very 100. Madi means it's very big. Madi also means death. Okay, so 100 ಮಡಿಯಷ್ಟು. ಮಡಿ is some kind of measurement. Okay, 100 ಮಡಿಯಷ್ಟು ಗುಡುಗುವ ವಾದ್ಯ ವಿಶೇಷಗಳು. So it's that far. ಗುಡುಗುವ ವಾದ್ಯ ವಿಶೇಷಗಳು. Vadya is the musical instruments. Okay, Guduguva, they have not told like it's just playing. Guduguva means the thunder. Okay, so that's how it is coming. Okay, the way they are playing. So Guduguva Vadya Visheshagalu 100 ಮಡಿಯಷ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. Okay, they are able to hear, very far distance also. So this is thom thom thom. Nadada mrudanga. So mrudangam is a Indian classical instrument. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, so so many instruments are there. So mrudanga is this. Then dham dham jhenkarada damuruga. That's how dham dham dham. Damuruga is which Shiva holds. No, this one. You must have seen. Okay, this is Damaruga. Then Tana 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 Guttuva Sanna Mela. So there are many people, they will be playing this Mela. Okay, so this will also make a lot of sound. Along with that, Shankha, Jagate, Thala, Jhallari, all these are musical instruments. Okay. Shankha is the shell, you would have seen, right? They will blow it in the starting of the war. So Jagate is also one of the instrument. Thala is one of the instrument. Jhallari is one of the instrument. Madaladu, like this, lot of instruments they are playing. Sahasra Sankheyalli, Sahasra means 1000. Thousands together. Prekshakarella, ನೆರೆದಿದ್ದ ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಕರು. ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಕರು is the people who have come to see there. Okay, so they are all bari hengasare, they are all ladies. Striyare nartakiyaru. See here samanartaka pada is coming. Hengasu stri. Okay, so striyare nartakiyaru, they were the dancers, the ladies were the dancers, and striyare vadakiyaru, ladies were playing the musical instruments, and striyare prekshakiyaru. Okay, they were the spectators also. Okay, there were lot of ladies. And then here, ಅಂದಿನ ಆರಂಭದ ನೃತ್ಯ ಶಿವನ ತಾಂಡವ. So Shiva, there is a special dance by Shiva, and that is called Shiva Tandava. So Shiva Tandava will include all those instruments which we had explained. It will be very loud. Okay, so it sounds like somewhat like very ferociously the sound will come. So it will be like almost like this. So there you can hear Damaru sound, that Maddale, everything, all that sound will come. Okay. Then ಶಿವನ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳು ಕೆಂಡದುಂಡೆಗಳನ್ನು ಉರುಳಿಸುತ್ತಿವೆ. Means Shiva's eyes. Okay, this is the Shiva Tandava. So Shiva's eyes are ಕೆಂಡದುಂಡೆಗಳು. Kenda means fire. Okay. So fire's unde rounds. It's so ಉರುಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ means it's rolling. ಅವನ ಹಣೆಗಣ್ಣು ಜ್ವಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ಮುಕ್ಕಳಿಸುತ್ತಿವೆ. His third eye. So you can see here the third eye. Third eye like volcano. It's spitting volcano. ಅವನ ಕುಣಿತಕ್ಕೆ ನೆಲ ನಡುಗುತ್ತಿವೆ. The way he is dancing, the ground is shaking. ಬೀಸಿದ ತೋಳುಗಳ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡೀ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಂಡವೇ ಸುತ್ತುತ್ತಿದೆ. So when he is dancing, the way, the force with which he uses his arms, so ಇಡೀ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಂಡ, the whole universe is turning according to that rhythm. ದಿಕ್ಕುಗಳು ದೂರ ಸರಿಯುತ್ತಿವೆ. The ದಿಕ್ಕುಗಳು are directions, that east, west, all those directions, they are going apart. Means they are sure, they are the author is trying to tell the intensity of the dance. ಭೂಮಿಯ ಬೆಸುಗೆಯನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡ ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳು ಅವನೊಡನೆ ನರ್ತಿಸುತ್ತವೆ. So the ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳು, the mountains have separated from the earth and they are also dancing with Shiva. So Sashi Marulaya has explained the intent, the dance, how it is. Okay, but the dancers are different. Okay, this is, so they are dancing as if Shiva himself is dancing. So the way he is explaining, we can come to know. Then ಕೆಂಡದ ಮಳೆ ಸುರಿದಂತೆ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಗಳು ಪಳಪಳನೆ ಕಳಚಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತಿವೆ. As if there is a rain of fire. Okay, so the ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಗಳು, the stars are falling. Palapalane means shining, and kalachi, they are losing their the state of the stay, and they're coming down. ಬಹಳ ಹೊತ್ತು ನಡೆದ ಆ ಭೀಕರ ತಾಂಡವದಿಂದಾಗಿ ಗಾಳಿಗೆ ಉಬ್ಬಸ. So because it was a lot of time, ಬಹಳ ಹೊತ್ತು ನಡೆದ ಭೀಕರ ತಾಂಡವ, that dance, that ferocious dance, ಗಾಳಿಗೆ ಉಬ್ಬಸ. Even the air has got breathing problem. Okay, ಉಬ್ಬಸ. Okay, ಬಿಸಿಲಿಗೆ ಸೆಕೆ. The sunrise itself, they are feeling hot. ಅಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೆರೆದಿದ್ದ ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಕರ ಪಾಡ ಏನು. So if all these things he has explained like this, just imagine how the spectators, the condition of the spectators. ಆಗ ಇದ್ದಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಂತೆ ತಂಗಾಳಿ ತೀಡಿದಂತಾಗಿ ಶಿವ ಶಾಂತನಾಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. So that time a cool breeze will come. Then Shiva will become Shanta, means calm. You can see here, right? He has become calm. ಅವನೊಡನೆ ಬಂದು ಕೂಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಶಿವೆ. ಶಿವೆ is Parvati. Shiva, ಶಿವೆ. So Parvati will come. ಜಗನ್ಮಾತಾ ಪಿತರ ಲಾಸ್ಯ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆರಂಭವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಆರಂಭ, start. Okay, so Jagat plus Mata plus Pita. Mata is mother, Pita is father. Shiva and Parvati. Jagan Mata Pitara lasya ಮತ್ತೆ ಆರಂಭ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. So they will start again the simple dance. Okay, so the Shiva and Parvati will start. ಅಲ್ಲಿನವರೆಗೆ ಬಿಗಿದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಕರ ಕೊರಳಿನ ನರಗಳು ಸಡಿಲವಾಗುತ್ತವೆ. So till that time the spectators' nerves were very tight, and now they will start becoming loose because of the ferocious dance, the Shiva Tandava. They had become very tight. Now seeing Parvati and Shiva calmness, they have become loose. ಅವರು ನಿರಾಳವಾಗಿ ಉಸಿರಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. So they are able to breathe very calm. ಶಿವರ ಲಾಸ್ಯವನ್ನು ಅವರು ಮೈಯೆಲ್ಲ ಕಣ್ಣಾಗಿ ನೋಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. So their lasya or whatever the simple dance, they will see as if their whole body is full of eye. ಸಂಗೀತವನ್ನು ಕಿವಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. That music they will listen as if their the body has become the ear. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅರಿವಿಲ್ಲದೆಯೇ ಅವರ ಕಾಲುಗಳು ತಾಳ ಕೊಡುತ್ತವೆ. Without their consciousness, without they their awareness, their legs, ಅವರ ಕಾಲುಗಳು ತಾಳ ಕೊಡುತ್ತವೆ. So we will be putting the steps in our legs, right, when we are listening to some music or something. So they will start doing that without ಎನಿ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್. ಅವರ ಮನಮಯೂರಗಳು ಶಿವಾಶಿವೆಯರೊಡನೆ ನರ್ತಿಸುತ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರ ಮನಮಯೂರಗಳು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮಯೂರ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಮಯೂರ. ಮಯೂರ ಈಸ್ ಪೀಕಾಕ್. It will start dancing with Shiva and Shive. So Shiva and Parvati, it will start dancing. ನೃತ್ಯ ಒಂದು ನೆಲೆಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು ಎನ್ನುವಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ it was like the dance was supposed to end. ನೃತ್ಯ ಒಂದು ನೆಲೆಗೆ at one stage it has to come and end ಎನ್ನುವಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ by the time ಪ್ರಾಂಗಣದ ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ means outside of the temple, that is called prangana. It will be a big small not very big, small field kind of thing outside the temple. ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ, ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಾರಿ ಎಂಬ ನುಡಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಲೌಡ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್. ಕೂಡಲೇ ನರ್ತಕಿಯರು, ವಾದಕಿಯರ, ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಕಿಯರ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳು ಅತ್ತ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತವೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ವರ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್. ದ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ಸ್, ವಾದಕಿ ಹೂ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಕರು, ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಕಿಯರು, ದ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಟರ್ಸ್, ಮೆನಿ ಲೇಡೀಸ್, ರೈಟ್, ಅವರ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳು ಅತ್ತ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತವೆ. They will turn their eyes towards the place from where the sound came. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡಿದ್ದೇನು? What did they see there? They saw ಒಂದು ಕುದುರೆ, one horse. Then ಅದರ ಮುಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಓರ್ವ ತರುಣ ಯೋಧ. So near the horse there was one ತರುಣ, young ಯೋಧ. ಯೋಧ is warrior. Okay. ಆ ಯೋಧ ಯುದ್ಧ ಭೂಮಿಯಿಂದ ಆಗತಾನೆ ಬಂದವನಿರಬೇಕು. He looked as if he has come just now from the war field. We'll see the remaining in the next clip.